Mel Chemistry set. I'm Nathaniel. I'm 19 years old. Here's my wonderful assistant, Abby. She is 4 years old, but she likes to say she's 9 years old, but she gets it wrong and says no belly. And I know she's not 102 years old. But let's get to the part about my video. I got my first Mel Chemistry set today, and I thought all my fans were bored of waiting, and all my subscribers were bored of waiting, and all my commenters were bored of waiting, and everybody was bored of waiting. So I thought maybe I could show this to them, my Mel Chemistries. This is the virtual reality set. The virtual reality set's gonna be right here. In this box, it's gonna be right here. This is the starter kit. You're gonna need this for all of your experiments. This is a manual that tells you what you're doing. This is a tray to put your experiments on. These are coasters for your stove. This is your stove to put on your coasters. This is a beaker to put stuff in. This is a funnel to put stuff in your beaker. These are safety goggles. Since this is 12 and up, I thought I could do it with an adult. Let me put the safety goggles with the others. These are plastic cups for your experiments. This is, I think my wonderful assistant wants to say something.
This is a measuring cup. Yeah, a measuring cup.
Let's put this right here. And these are lenses for your phone to turn it into a microscope. I'm going to put it right here. And last, but not least, and it's not last, this I think she might be
This is a syringe.
Syringe. And last, but not the least, it's a holder for your cell phone. That's everything in the starter kit. Oh, wait, it's not everything. I think my wonderful assistant wants to talk again. These are stoppers. Stoppers. Now let's put everything back. Or maybe not. Let's just leave it out. Yeah, but I'm going to close the box. This is my first Mel Chemistry set. But we're not going to do it today. It's going to be in the next video. And subscribe periodically. Come back for more videos periodically. Bye.